Lovey's Fat Life here, and today we're going to check out the Carnival Magic's Lido Marketplace Breakfast Buffet and give you a review on it as well. Thank you. That was a view of the aft of the ship, the pool area, and the wake of the ship. Let's go in here and check out the Lido Marketplace now for Breakfast Buffet. This breakfast buffet does have most things you would like. I mean, they had some ham and cheese here, some fruit. They have danishes on this side of the buffet bar. We're going to walk over to the other side and check it out. But they got pastries and bagels and cream cheese and cookies, anything you can think of pastry-wise. And then we'll go check out the other side where they have the meats. They also have vegetables here, kind of like a little salad bar. Set up in this Lido Marketplace area, but again, then they have another whole section with just fruit. Now we're hitting my favorite area, the Omelette Your Way. I always, on a cruise ship, at least 2 or 3 times, especially on port days, if I can get up early and get to the omelet station, have it fixed the way you want to. I like mine with mushrooms and ham and bacon, but they got plenty of cheese here. I put cheese on it as well. But they got all kinds of cheeses, meats. They also got tomatoes and onions and green peppers, things like that you can add to it as well. And then they always cook it to order. It's always hot. Big fan of the omelet station on the Carnival cruise ships. All right, so we had a omelet made to order, ham, sausage. I'm gonna try a chocolate muffin. I've heard they're good. We're gonna try them out. We got a pinwheel, cinnamon pinwheel. We'll try it out. See what we think on those. All right, so we're gonna try this chocolate muffin. See if it's good, like we've seen other people say it is. It's pretty moist. Kind of tastes like a brownie, but it's not bad. I'll definitely try it again. Try out that chocolate muffin on the Carnival Magic or any Carnival cruise ship. All right, so now we're going to try out this cinnamon pinwheel. See what it's like. Not the same experience. When you get into the cinnamon, it's pretty good. Really dry on the outside. Stay away from that. Do yourself a favor. All right, let's try out the sausage here. There's 2 different type of link sausages. Sausage is good. Let's try out the other link sausage. It looks a little different. Both are pretty good. Let's try the ham out.
There were kids running through the buffet, not when it was going.
All right.
Like running.
All right. So now we're going to try the omelet. It's got white cheese, dark cheese, mushrooms in it, ham. Let's try this out. You need to get an omelet made the way you like it on the Lido Marketplace, or Lido Marketplace. This has been a hit on everything except for the pinwheel. So check it out. Tell me what you think. Do you like the buffet? We did not see gravy and biscuits. I would have tried that. The cheese is always a downer. Michelle's got some grits here. We're going to ask her what she thinks of that. Anthony's eating some blue iguana again. It's going to turn into a taco, I think. All right, Michelle caught you in mid-bite. What do you got there?
I have grits,
And they were young.
and I have some cantaloupe, which I've gotten every morning when I've come here, and it's been delicious. And I've got a
Bagel cream cheese?
Yes,
Well, how are the grits?
grits after I doctored them up with salt, pepper, and butter. They're great.
Okay, after you doctored them up.
Well, yes.
Anthony's got tacos over there again.
Surprise, surprise.
Surprise, surprise. Gomer Pyle. Anthony?
This ship has made tacos to order for him.
For breakfast, right?
They typically don't sell these.
I don't have them.
Yeah, but what I did is I just said, can I have scoop of the thing of the cookies? And then they said, do you want this or this? And I would say yes for chicken. Then I go up to the station and
Put your other stuff on.
yeah.
So
I don't even know if I'm
it looks good though, don't it? And it is pretty good.
Yep.
Have you found any chicken bones this time? Thank you for checking out the buffet in the Lido Marketplace area on the Carnival Magic. Hey, do you like the breakfast buffet? I'm telling you what, I think the breakfast buffet is far superior to the lunch and nighttime buffet. But what do you guys think? What's your favorite there? Do you have your own omelet made, or do you stick with fruit? Tell us what you think. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe.